Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your American Express bank account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your American Express bank account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in American Express.com like this and you enter, or you can just simply search for American Express login like this and you enter, and you can see log into my account from the americanexpress.com itself. Let's open it, and after that you can see this is the home page of American Express bank account. Now to log into your bank account, you will be required to click on the login button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Click on login, and after landing on this page, you can see you'll be required to enter your user ID, your password, your card type, and after that click on login to sign in to your American Express bank account. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or password, simply click on forgot user ID or password to retrieve which one of them did you lost. And if you want to create a new online account, you can see the create new online account option over here. By clicking on this, you will be taken to the procedure where you can create an American Express bank account from your computer. And there guys, this is how you log in into your American Express bank account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.